number 1. Dihybrids are a pain in everybody's butt, and I totally get it. So the first one, it says in guinea pigs, black hair, big B, is dominant to white, and short hair, big L, is dominant to long. Consider a cross between 2 heterozygous short-haired guinea pigs. And okay, so everything is heterozygous. Okay, so I've got a black-haired, short-haired guinea pig, and it is heterozygous. So it's very important that you know your vocabulary. Hetero means different. Okay, so I have 2 of these heterozygotes. Okay, first things first, I'm going to figure out what's in the gametes. Okay, so I'm going to figure out what's in the egg and sperm cells. If you never do this part, you will always get it wrong. Okay? So let's say that's the sperm cells. I don't know, it's male. And then here's the female. She has the same genotype. And it doesn't matter if the L comes before the B or the B comes before the L, as long as you're consistent, it really does not matter. Alright, so that's step 1. Okay, and so then I want to go to step 2. And the step 2 is going to be putting it into the big Punnett square. So I'm going to draw a really big Punnett square with 16 boxes. Again, it doesn't have to be beautiful. Alright, and so then I'm going to go ahead and put these 4 gametes. So those are the sperm cells up here. And then these 4 gametes, let's say those are the egg cells. I'll put them here. And as I do number 2, I can do number 3. And so what are the possible phenotypes I could have? A black, long hair. Is long hair or short hair dominant? I don't remember. Let's see. Short hair is dominant. Okay, so I could have a black, short hair. I could have a black guinea pig that has long hair. I could have a white guinea pig that has short hair. Or I could have a white guinea pig that has long hair. Okay, so, and as I go, I'm just going to put tick marks on the side. Alright, so on the first one, so long as everything's consistent, I'm going to put big B, big L, big L. And you guys tell me, that guinea pig, black short, black long, white short, white long. What do you say? Big B, big L, big L. Black short. Alright, next one, big B, big L, big L. What do you say? Big B means that the guinea pig will be what? What color? Black. And then big L means it will have what? Say it again. Short. So it's going to be black short. Next one, big B, big L, little L. What do you say about this guy? Black and short. Then I've got big B, big L, little L. So what do you say about this guy? Black and short. Say big B, big L, big O. What do you guys say? Black short. Next one, little b, big L, big L. What's the color? White with short hair. Next one's big B, big L, little L. What do you say? Black and short. Next one's little b, big L, little L. What would you say? What's the phenotype? White and short. I hear one person. I need to hear everybody. Let's go. Next one is big B, big L, little L. What do you say? Black and what? Short. Okay. Next one is big B, big L, little L. What do you say? black and short. Next one is big B, little L, little L. What do you say about that one? Black and long. Okay, big B, little L, little L. What do you say about that? Black and long. Okay, big B, big L, little L. What do you say about that guy? Black and short. Little b, big L, little L. What do you say about that guy? White and long. No, white and short. White and short, right? Okay. All right, next one. Big B, little L, little L. What do you say about this one? That one's black and long. That one's black and long. Because the recessive is long. And then last one, little b, little L, little L. What do you say about that guy? White and long. All right. So this is your typical 2 heterozygotes are crossed, and it's typical 9, 3, 3, 1. That is the ratio you'll get every single time for the phenotype. And so it says, how many out of the 16 offspring will have white, short hair? White and short. And so what did you get? You should have gotten 3 out of the 16 will have white and short hair. Okay. Give yourself 3 points for setting it up here. 3 points for doing the big punnet. 3 points for writing down all the possible phenotype, and 1 point for getting the right answer. So that gets you your 10. Please use a different color. Make sure that you are correcting as we go. So if you got it wrong, please correct it. Please, please, please correct it. Guys, the dihybrids aren't going anywhere. Okay, so it says in Snapdragon flower color is incompletely dominant. Notice I put that there. So on your test, there will be mixtures of inheritance, and you just have to read to make sure you know which one you're doing. So this one says incompletely dominant. It says some Snapdragons are blue, and some are yellow, and some are green. All right, so blue, yellow, green. And so you have to kind of figure out what the genotype for green would be, and it's definitely not G. So when you mix blue with yellow, you get what color? So if it's like paint, because that's what incompletely dominant is, it's mixing like paint, you get blue plus yellow makes what? Green. So if blue is big B, yellow is big Y, then green must be what? Say it again. BY. All right, so number 1 says provide genotypes for blue, yellow, and green. All right, so 2. Let me do the first one. So blue. And then yellow. And then green. Okay, so that's the first answer. All right, give yourself 5 points if you got that. Okay, what are the chances of getting yellow offspring if you cross 2 green Snapdragons? And so you have to do the cross. I always show you work. So here's the second one. So I'm going to cross a BY with a BY. And then I'm going to do the Punnett square. Genotype ratios that I've got 1 big B, 2 BYs, and then 1 YY. Phenotype ratio is that I've got 1 blue, 2 green, 1 yellow. And so the question was, what are the chances of getting a yellow offspring? All right, so the chances are 1 out of 4, so 25%. Okay? And then the next one. Last one. What are the chances of getting blue offspring in a cross between a blue snapdragon and a green snapdragon? So, again, I'm going to write the cross. So blue is big B, and then here's green, and so then I do the Punnett square. There's the blue, there's the green. The genotype ratio is 2 big B to BY. Phenotype ratio is 2 blue and 2 green. And so what is the chance? Well, these 2 blue tell you that it is a 50% chance of blue. And there's your answer. Please correct. Oops, let's get that over. Please correct and submit your corrections. So you should have 2 submissions there. And I should see your corrections in a different color.